Yo, what's up everybody? It's Cassie. You ever booked a flight, got that confirmation email, and then bam, reality hits. You gotta pack everything into that tiny little carry-on, because ain't nobody got time for checked bag fees, am I right? I'm about to drop some serious travel knowledge bombs, the kind airlines don't really want you to know. So if you're tired of feeling like you're playing Tetris with your luggage, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into it. Alright, let's talk packing. You know that feeling when you're trying to stuff a week's worth of clothes into a carry-on the size of a shoebox? Yeah, not fun. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to introduce you to your new best friend, vacuum seal bags. You just roll up your clothes, stuff them in the bag, grab your vacuum cleaner, or use those handy travel pumps, and suck out all the air. Boom! Just like that, you've got yourself a compressed brick of clothing, ready to be tucked away in your suitcase. Seriously, you won't believe how much more you can fit in your bag with these bad boys. Trust me, once you go vacuum seal, you'll never go back. Okay, this next hack might sound a little crazy, but trust me on this one. Remember those bulky items you're always struggling to fit in your suitcase? That heavy winter coat, those clunky hiking boots? Well, guess what? You're wearing them on the plane. Think about it. Why waste precious luggage space on something you can just wear? Yeah, you might be a little warm on the plane, but hey, at least you'll be prepared for anything. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some extra pockets for all those little things you want to keep close at hand. Just maybe avoid wearing a full-on snowsuit in the middle of summer. Now, let's talk about keeping your suitcase organized. That's where compression packing cubes come in. You can pack each person's outfits into separate cubes, compress them down, and voila! You've got a perfectly organized suitcase where everything has its place. No more digging, no more mess. Just pure, streamlined packing efficiency. Plus, it makes unpacking a breeze too. Trust me, once you try compression packing cubes, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Charge your devices. Alright, this next one might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people forget to do it. Charge your devices. And I'm not just talking about your phone. Laptops, tablets, headphones, e-readers, anything with a battery needs to be juiced up and ready to go. Why? Because airport security might ask you to turn them on. And trust me, you do not want to be that person holding up the line because your laptop is deader than a doornail. Plus, nobody wants to be stuck on a long flight with a dead phone. So do yourself a favor and charge everything the night before you fly. Leave the electric toothbrush at home, or at least in your checked bag. Okay, let's talk about everyone's favorite travel companion, the electric toothbrush. Now I know, good oral hygiene is important, even on the go. But here's the thing. Some electric toothbrushes have lithium batteries. And lithium batteries can be a big no-no in carry-on luggage. Lithium batteries can overheat and catch fire. And nobody wants that happening in a confined space like an airplane cabin. So, to be on the safe side, it's best to just pack your electric toothbrush in your checked bag. Or if you're really committed to that electric clean, just grab a regular toothbrush for your trip. Aluminum foil, the silent killer of airport security lines. Alright, this next one is a biggie. Aluminum foil. I know it's tempting to wrap your sandwiches in it or use it to protect your delicate souvenirs. But trust me, just don't do it. Aluminum foil is basically the kryptonite to airport security scanners. It blocks the X-rays, which means the TSA agents can't see what's inside your bag. So do yourself and everyone else a favor and leave the aluminum foil at home. Okay, let's talk about common sense, people. When you're packing your bags, ask yourself this question. Does this look like something that could be mistaken for a weapon? If the answer is even remotely yes, leave it at home. I'm talking about things like staplers, candlesticks, toy guns, anything that could raise an eyebrow at airport security. Remember, airport security is no joke. So, save yourself the hassle and pack smart. Alright, let's talk toiletries. But lugging around full-size bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and lotion is a surefire way to eat up precious luggage space. That's where sample sizes come in. They're the perfect size for carry-on luggage and they'll save you a ton of space. Plus, you can use those empty bottles to store other liquids like contact lens solution or hand sanitizer. Coffee, the ultimate odor eater. Okay, this next hack might sound a little weird, but trust me on this one. Coffee. Not to drink, but to deodorize your luggage. You know how sometimes your suitcase can start to smell a little funky after a while? Maybe you left some dirty laundry in there, or maybe it's just the general aroma of travel. Just grab a small bag of freshly ground coffee, seal it in a Ziploc bag, and toss it in your suitcase. The coffee will absorb any unwanted smells, leaving your luggage smelling fresh and clean. Shower caps, not just for your hair. All right, this last hack is a classic for a reason. Shower caps. You know, those flimsy plastic things they give you for free at hotels? Yeah, those are actually incredibly versatile travel accessories. You can use them to pack shoes, store wet swimsuits, protect delicate items from spills, or even create a makeshift ice pack in a pinch. Baggage stickers, leave them on. This last one is less of a hack and more of a pro traveler move. See that sticker they slap on your bag at check-in? Yeah, that little piece of paper is more important than you think. It's basically your bag's ID tag, with a unique barcode that helps the airline track its every move. So here's the thing, don't peel it off. I know it's tempting to rip it off as soon as you get your bag, but trust me, it's best to leave it on. If your bag ever gets lost or delayed, that sticker is the key to getting it back to you. You're now a travel pro. All right, folks, there you have it. Those are my top travel hacks to make your next trip smoother, faster, and just overall more enjoyable. Remember, packing doesn't have to be a nightmare, and airport security doesn't have to be an obstacle course. With a little bit of planning and these handy tips, you can conquer the airport like a pro. So the next time you're packing for a trip, remember to channel your inner travel ninja. Vacuum seal those clothes, charge those devices, and leave the aluminum foil at home. And hey, if you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and tricks, and share this video with your friends. Now go forth, conquer the airport, and explore the world. Happy travels!